Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious 3-ingredient crème brûlée. First, gather your simple ingredients: 1 pint of heavy cream, 5 large egg yolks, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Place 4 6-ounce ramekins into a larger baking dish, ready for the custard mixture. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your dessert. Now, let's prepare the custard. In a bowl, gently whisk the 5 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of sugar until they are pale yellow and just combined. Next, slowly warm the 1 pint of heavy cream in a saucepan over medium heat until it barely simmers. Gradually pour the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. This prevents scrambling. Finally, divide the smooth custard evenly among your 4 6-ounce ramekins. For baking, carefully pour hot water into the larger baking dish, creating a water bath that reaches halfway up the sides of your ramekins. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. The edges should be set, but the center will still jiggle slightly. Once baked, carefully remove the ramekins from the water bath and let them cool completely on a wire rack. Then, chill your crème brûlée in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours to ensure it sets perfectly. The final, exciting step is caramelizing the sugar. Just before serving, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the top of each chilled crème brûlée. Use a kitchen torch to melt and caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, golden brown, crisp crust. If you do not have a torch, you can briefly broil them in the oven, watching very closely. Serve immediately to savor the delightful contrast of the warm, crunchy topping and the cold, creamy custard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.